Hello everyone. In this video I'll be sharing with you this very healthy, nutrient dense salad recipe you can have as dinner. So you eat in the evening, it easily digests, nothing stores up causing belly fat and weight gain. If you are looking to stay in shape or lose weight, these are the kinds of healthy dinners you want to incorporate into your daily life. Nutrient dense and will load your system with all the nutrients you need to live a very healthy life, looking glowy and ageless, because there are so many ingredients in here to boost collagen production for that youthful glow to the skin. So this is it. I will be showing you how to come up with a recipe. In order to come up with this, the first ingredients I use is tomatoes. Tomatoes are so good, most especially in the evening. You consume them after exposing your skin in direct sunlight. It helps to fight sun damage on the skin, loaded with so many vitamins and minerals to glow your skin naturally from inside, and will keep you so full, which is nutrient dense as well. So what I do is I slice into some square shapes depending on the kinds of sizes you want. You can slice as you like, but those are the shapes I like. The second ingredient I'll add in my salad will be onions. Onions are so good. They have disease fighting properties in them to fight diseases in your system. So nutrient dense, you want to add in your salads. So what I use is half an onion. I just get my onion, washed thoroughly. I cut in the middle and I use half, slice into some beautiful sizes that I like. So depending on the size you like, you can slice to your taste. The next ingredient I add in my salad will be cucumber. So I am using half a cucumber. Cucumbers are alkaline in nature to fight diseases in the system. They will equally help to leave your system hydrated because they are 96% water based, to hydrate you and nourish your system. The next ingredient I will be adding in my salad will be avocado. So I will put one full avocado. This is for me to feel so full. This is healthy fats and they help to keep you so full so you don't feel like snacking things before going to bed. So I will add one avocado and it easily digests so fast without anything storing up, causing belly fat. So this is one avocado sliced into some beautiful shape. The next thing I'll be adding is 2 eggs. So I boiled them earlier just to save time. These are my boiled egg peel. They are highly rich in protein to keep you full. Protein is to keep you so full so you don't feel like eating too much, and egg easily digests without storing up, causing belly fat and weight gain, and so nutrient dense as well. So those are my 2 eggs. The next thing I'll be adding in here is a little bit of green leafy vegetable, and I'll be using lettuce, just the upper greener part of my lettuce that I'll be using for this salad. So nutrient dense as well. Green leafy vegetables contain so many vitamins and minerals you need for your system. So healthy, and it gives color to your salad. Like, it makes it look so beautiful. So this is it. I slice into tiny little slices, and voila. So what I do is I thoroughly wash all these ingredients with vinegar. So I just pour water in the ingredients, add a little bit of vinegar, just leave for like 10 minutes so it clears any like pesticides that were used to spray these ingredients with, so I don't eat any chemicals. So as you can see, I'm adding water and a little bit of vinegar, water, a little bit of vinegar, and I'll leave for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, my ingredients will be so healthy and clean with no chemicals on them. I've rinsed now everything, you see, just from rinsing the vinegar from there, and voila, these are the clean ingredients in there. This is it. These are my 2 eggs, just the egg that I didn't thoroughly wash. So I'll be doing my salad in this plate. So voila. In any order, I don't have any particular way I do my salad. Like this, my fruity vegetable kinds of salad, I just mix everything up, and voila. I'll show you now how to come up with the cream I'll be using for my salad. Very critical and very important, and trust me, it tastes so good. So in order to come up with my cream, the first ingredient I will need will be olive oil. Olive oil is so healthy. It is healthy fats to help you burn bad fats. So this is like helping you to burn any calories or even the protein you get from the egg. This olive oil and healthy fats help you burn protein, and they go together. So I'll be putting in 2 tablespoons of olive oil. The next thing I'll add in here is like have like a teaspoon of squeezed lemon juice. I usually just estimate, but just for the sake of this video, you can just do half a teaspoon of lemon juice, or you can use vinegar, but I love lemon juice as it helps too with weight loss, since I am on a journey to lose some calories in my belly, like to get it really flat. The next thing I'll add in here will be black pepper for taste. So trust me, black pepper tastes so good in here, you will not believe. So I'm adding in a pinch of black pepper, like a tiny pinch of black pepper in here for flavor and to help me metabolize this as well. So as you can see, this is my oil, um, black pepper and lemon. I'll add in a little bit, a pinch of salt. You don't want to put a lot of salt in your meals. This is just for taste. You don't want to put a lot of salt. So I'm adding in a pinch of salt, and voila, this is my cream. Trust me, it tastes so good with the combination of your salad. Like, you will not believe. This is so good. I want you to try and come back and tell me. Like, I used to think healthy eating or healthy lifestyle is boring. If you know the right kinds of food to eat, trust me, you would love to live healthy. Like, this combo is out of this world. So healthy, and I hope someone tries and come back and tell me. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to share this video with your family and friends so we can all stay healthy and looking good. Bye.